This video introduces how to load the standard interface program files to a FANUC robot. Loading involves importing robot programs and configuration files into the robot system to establish communication between the vision system and the robot. We will load standard interface communication configuration files and robot example programs. These can assist us in deploying projects. Now, let's proceed with the detailed operational steps. To begin with, complete the preparation work. Confirm that the controller system software version is either version 7.5, version 7.7, V8 or V9. Please confirm that the additional controller software packages are either R651 or R632, as well as R648, which is required. Next, check the hardware connections. Make sure that you have plugged the Ethernet cable of the IPC into the Ethernet port of the robot controller. You can plug the cable into either CD38A port or CD38B port. CD38A corresponds to port 1 in the robot IP setting, while CD38B corresponds to port 2. Next, set IP addresses. Press Menu, Setup, and then select Host COM in the context menu. Then, press Enter to open the Setup Protocols window. Select TCP/IP and press Detail to open the Setup Host COM window. Check the robot's IP address in the IP address line. It should match the IPC's IP address in the same subnet. Next, back up the programs already in the robot. Plug a flash drive into the Teach pendant. Once you've connected the flash drive, press Menu. Select File, File, and then press Enter. In the file interface, select UTL, then set Device, and USB on TP, UT1. Before the backup, create a new folder in the flash drive. Select UTL, then make dir. Press Enter. Name the folder and then press Enter to confirm and enter the new folder. Select Backup, all of above, then press Enter to back up the files. A message asking whether to delete the new folder before backing up files will be displayed by default. Select Yes here. Then, a message asking whether to back up all files will be displayed on the screen. Select Yes and start the backup. When the backup is complete, unplug the flash drive. Subsequently, configure the robot communication settings and prepare the program files. Open Mech-Vision. Create a solution based on your application scenario. Click Robot Communication Configuration on the toolbar. Select the listed robot from the Select Robot drop-down menu. Click Select Robot Model. Select the robot model in use. Click Next. Make sure the interface type is Standard Interface and the protocol is TCP Server and Hex Big Endian. Click Open Program folder to find program files. Copy these program files to the flash drive. Click Apply. On the Mech-Vision interface, the robot communication configuration switch has turned blue. Now, it's time to load the program files. Plug the flash drive into the Teach pendant. Navigate to the UT1 interface. In the root directory of the flash drive, select Install and then press Enter. Select Yes to start loading the programs. When the program's loaded message is displayed, the program files are loaded. Finally, run the program to test the communication between the vision system and the robot. On the Teach pendant, press Select to enter the program selection interface. Select Contest and then press Enter to start the program. Configure the parameters of init SKT, which consist of 4 total parameters. Please adjust them based on your specific situation. When finished, move the cursor to the first line of the program. Turn the switch on the Teach pendant to On and turn the switch on the controller to T1. Afterward, press the Step key to transit into step mode. Press and hold either one of the enabling switches on the back of the Teach pendant. Press and hold Shift, continuously press Reset to dismiss all alarms. And then repeatedly press forward to manually run the Contest program. In the last step, the parameters of init SKT have been modified, so a robot restart is required for the changes to take effect. When the following message appears on the teach pendant, restart the robot. After you restart the robot, run mmcontest manually again. If the communication between the robot and the vision system is set up, a log will be recorded on the console tab of the log panel of Mech-Vision. Now we have loaded the standard interface program files to a FANUC robot. The robot can proceed to send commands to and request visual results from the vision system. You can refer to our documentation for more FANUC robot standard interface configuration operation.